Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT Study Mode in a simple, practical way, so you can learn faster, revise smarter, and understand difficult topics with less stress. Whether you're a student, preparing for exams, or just trying to learn something new, this method can help you turn long topics into easy explanations, short notes, quizzes, and flashcards. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few prompts. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now, let's get into it. The first step is to ask ChatGPT for a simple explanation. This is the easiest way to start when a topic feels confusing or too advanced. Instead of asking for a complicated answer, you tell ChatGPT to explain it in a beginner-friendly way. For example, you can say, "Explain photosynthesis like I'm 10 years old." That one prompt can completely change how the information is presented. Instead of dense textbook language, you get a simple breakdown that is much easier to understand. This is especially useful when you are starting a new chapter, revising tough concepts, or trying to build confidence before going deeper. Once you understand the topic in simple language, the next step is to convert it into notes. This is where study mode becomes really useful for revision. You can ask ChatGPT to turn the explanation into short notes with bullet points. For example, say, "Convert this into short notes with bullet points." Now, instead of a long paragraph, you get a clean summary that is easier to scan and memorize. This is perfect if you want to make quick revision sheets, prepare for class, or save time when studying multiple subjects. Short bullet point notes help your brain catch the main ideas faster, and they make last-minute revision much easier. The third step is to create a quiz or flashcards. This is one of the best ways to check whether you actually understand the topic. You can ask ChatGPT to create 5 multiple-choice questions from the topic, or simply say, "Make flashcards." This turns passive reading into active learning. Instead of just looking at information, you are testing yourself, which helps improve memory and recall. If you get a question wrong, that's actually helpful, because it shows you exactly what you need to review again. Flashcards are especially useful for definitions, formulas, dates, vocabulary, and key points you need to remember quickly. The fourth step is to revise and repeat. Learning is not just about one explanation. Sometimes you need the information repeated in a different way before it really clicks. That's why follow-up prompts are so powerful. You can say, "Summarize again in 3 points," or "Explain the difficult parts." If something still doesn't make sense, keep asking ChatGPT to simplify it further, break it into smaller parts, or give a real-life example. This repeated back and forth is what makes study mode feel like a personal tutor that adjusts to your level. A really smart way to use this is to combine all 4 steps in one study session. First, ask for a simple explanation. Second, turn that explanation into short notes. Third, generate a quiz or flashcards. And fourth, review the weak parts until you understand them clearly. That workflow takes a topic from confusing to manageable in a very short amount of time. You can use it for science, history, business, coding, language learning, or almost any subject at all. If you want even better results, be specific with your prompts. Instead of just saying, "Explain this," tell ChatGPT exactly how you want the answer. You can ask for simple words, bullet points, examples, memory tricks, or exam-style questions. The more clear your prompt is, the more useful the response will be. That's why study mode works so well when you treat it like an interactive study partner rather than just a search tool. So to quickly recap, the process is simple. Ask for a beginner-friendly explanation, convert it into short notes, create a quiz or flashcards, and then revise with follow-up questions until everything is clear. This is one of the easiest ways to use ChatGPT for studying, and it can save you a huge amount of time. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.